Hey, it's Anissa. We're bringing you an update on a very popular product. It's our line eraser. Now, we've been selling this for almost 15 years, and our original video was done 11 years ago when I was a lot younger. Obviously, I have a lot more wrinkles, so we thought, let's update it so you can see just how great this works. If you haven't heard, this is clinically proven to work, and it's got a host of great wrinkle-reducing ingredients like peptides, collagen, retinol, and hyaluronic acid. I love the way it's packaged. It allows you to target the areas. One thing that's very important, when you get it and you start to try to pump it, you might think, oh, it's empty, but it takes a while to prime it. It took me almost a minute to prime this one up. Now, this is the strongest wrinkle eraser that you can get without a prescription, and I love it because it doesn't leave that white residue. It's a skin tone color, and it matches almost every skin tone, and it can last up to a full day. It really depends on how deep your wrinkles are. When you apply it, you can actually start to feel it tightening your skin, and within 90 seconds, those wrinkles are gonna be plumped up. For me, I have some crow's feet, a deep wrinkle on my forehead, and these wrinkles around my mouth. So I really like to use it, and you can wear this under your makeup, and look how effective it is. The best part of all is our super low price. Plus, when you buy more, you save more. So head on over to PulseTV and grab yours today.